Hey guys, welcome to my another new video. In this video today I am going to show you how to create a simple calculator in Visual Studio software to perform arithmetic operations. So let's get started. First open the Microsoft Visual Studio software, then go for create a new project, then select Windows Forms app and click on next. Again click on next, then click on create. Here you have to wait for few seconds, it will take some time for loading. After loading all the things, you will get an interface like this. Here you can adjust the form window. Now go for toolbox and search here for level. Then double click on it, then you will get the level. Now copy some more levels from here. Now select the level 1 and go for properties window and rename the level as simple calculator, because I am using this level for the heading of the program, and for that I will increase the size of the text, and also I will change the text design, and I will place the text in the center of the form window. Now let's design the calculator. First I will place these 3 levels one after another like this. Now we need 3 text boxes. For that again go for toolbox and search for text box and double click on it, then you will get the text box. Now copy 2 more text box from text box 1 and then place the text boxes with the level as you can see here in the screen. Now select level 2 and go for properties window and rename the level 2 as enter first number. Then select level 3 and rename as enter second number. Then select level 4 and rename as result. Now again go for toolbox and search for button. Then double click on it, then you will get the button. We want 4 buttons, so copy 3 more buttons from button 1. Then replace the buttons as you can see here in the screen. Now select button 1 and go for properties window and rename the button 1 as add, which will be used for addition operation. Next select button 2 and rename the button as sub, which will be used for the subtraction. Then select button 3 and go for properties window and rename as mul, which will be used for multiplication. And then select button 4 and rename as div, which will be used for division operation. So here our design window form is ready. Now I will just change the background color of the window form so that it will look attractive. Now I have to enter the codes. First I will enter the codes for the addition operation. For that I will select that add button and double click on it. Then coding form will open. Here we have to enter the codes. I am entering the codes here and also I am displaying the codes in the screen so that you can also enter the codes. So as you can see here, all the coding has completed. Now save the program. To save the program, click here and then run the program. To run the program, click here. Now wait for the execution. After execution of the program, you will get an interface like this. This is the output window. Here let's check the output. I will enter a number in the first text box. For example, I am entering 10 and in the second text box I am entering as 5. Then if I click on add button, then you can see here the result text box, means if we add 10 with 5, then the result will be 15 only. Then if I click on solve button, then it is showing the exact result as you can see here. Same here, we can do the multiplication and division operation also, as you can see here. Now if you want to add a button as clear, then go for toolbox and select button, then you will get the button. Now select the button and rename it as clear. Then select this clear button and double click on it. Then you will get the coding form window. Here you enter as textbox1.text equal to double quote and give a space between two double quotes. Then go for next line and type textbox2.text equal to double quotes. Then next textbox3.text equal to double quotes. That's all. Now save the codes and run the program. Then you will get the output. Here I will just check the clear button. For example, I am entering 50 in the first text box and 10 in the second text box, and I will check all the results. First addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division. As we can see here, all the buttons are working properly. Now you can see here in the three text boxes there are integer I have entered. Now if I click on that clear button, then you can see here all the text boxes is totally cleared. So clear button is working properly. So like this you can create a simple calculator in Visual Studio software by using some simple codes. That's all for today. I hope you will like the video, and if you want to see more videos then subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Anyway guys, I will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.